Ever heard people talking about trading currencies and making money from their phones? That's Forex trading. And in this video, I'll explain what it is in the simplest way possible. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the global market where people buy and sell currencies. Think of it like this. When you travel to another country, you exchange your local money for theirs, right? That's Forex trading, but online and with the goal of making a profit. In Forex, we trade in pairs, like EUR/USD or GBJPY. The first currency is the one you're buying, and the second is the one you're selling. Example, if EUR/USD is equal to 1.10, it means €1 is equal to 110 US dollars. If the price goes up after you buy, you profit. But wait, what makes these prices go up and down? Prices change due to news, politics, interest rates, and global events. Traders study these movements using charts and patterns. To trade Forex, you'll need a trading platform like MetaTrader or TradingView, a broker account, a basic understanding of analysis and risk management, a strategy, your trading game plan. But here's the truth. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that requires practice, patience, and control. Never risk what you can't afford to lose. So that's Forex trading in a nutshell. The world's largest financial market where over $6 trillion is traded every single day. Excited to learn more? Hit that subscribe, tap like, and comment. Forex ready to keep learning.